morning everyone, my name is Jefe Tupas, your teacher for today. Today I will going to demonstrate and teach you how to compute your grade using the three types of class record, which is the manual, the e-class record, and the pandemic record. But for now, we will discuss first the manual computation. So in manual computation, there is a written work which is 20%, performance task which is 60%, and the quarterly assessment which is 20%. So let us assume that this is a row score. So to get the total score, we will add the 4 consecutive row score, which is 9 plus 38 plus 18 plus 10 is equals to 75. So let us check. 9 plus 38 plus 18 plus 10 is equals to 75. So to get the percentage score, we will divide the possible score, which is 75, to the highest possible, which is 90, and we will multiply by 100. So let us try. 75 divided by 90 times 100 is equals to 83.33. And after that, we will multiply the percentage score to the weighted score. So the total percentage score is 83.33 to 20%. So 83.33 times 100 is equals to 16.00%. Performance task, it is the same process. We will add this first. So 8 plus 7 plus 9 plus 10 is equals to 34. To get the percentage score, we will divide to the possible score to the highest possible score, then we will multiply to 100. So 34 divide 40 times 100 is equals to 85.00. So to get the weighted score for the performance task, again we will multiply this to the percentage score to the 60%. So 85.00 times 60% is equals to 51.00%. So let's move on to the quarterly assessment. So let us assume that I already put the row score, and this is the possible score of the student. So we will divide the possible score to the highest possible score, then we will multiply to 100. So 40 divided by 50 times 100 is equals to 80. So correct, it is 80.00. So to get the weighted score again, we will multiply to the percentage score. So which is 80.00 times 20% is equals to 16.00. And for the last part, we will add the 3 weighted score to get the initial grade. So 16.00% plus 51.00% plus 16.00% is equals to 80, and that is the initial grade. So now let's move on to the second type of class record, which is the E-class record.
So this time I will going to demonstrate on how to use E-class record with corresponding row score and initial grade of our proponent. First, all we need to do is to fill in all important information in the table at the top of our spreadsheet. Now, as you can see, I already put the name and the possible score in a consecutive row score. So when we get the total score out of the highest possible score, first, you have to click equal sign and click the 3 consecutive row score of our proponent, then click enter and the total score is automatically shown. Then, after that, to solve the percentage score, in a written work, click equal sign and the total possible row score, then divided to the highest possible score, then multiply by 100% so the total answer will automatically shown. Then, to get the weighted score again, we will click the equal sign and we need to multiply the percentage score to the given 20% in our written work, then the total answer will automatically show. After that, it is the same process when we calculate the performance task. You need to solve the row score by clicking equal sign, then all consecutive row score out of the possible highest score, so the total answer will automatically shown. Next, for the percentage score, click equal sign, then the total row score divided to the highest possible score times 100%, so the answer will be given. Then, for the weighted score, click again the equal sign, then click also the percentage score, then times to the given 60%, then the answer will be automatically shown. Then, after we solve the percentage task, the performance task rather, we will move on to the quarterly assessment. Assuming that there is already row score, you have to continue calculating the percentage score. So click again equal sign by divided row score to the highest possible score times 100%, and the answer will be given. So for the weighted score, click again equal sign and multiply the percentage score to the given percentage of a quarterly assessment, which is 20%, so the answer will be automatically shown. For the last part, you have to solve the initial grade by clicking equal sign and add all weighted score to get the initial grade of our proponent. So, for the final rating, transmute it to the transportation table. Next is the pandemic class record. So, the difference between the pandemic class record to the E-class record is in the pandemic, there is no quarterly assessment. Only written work and performance tasks are included. So, it is same process with the E-class record. As you can see, I already put the name of the student, then solve the row score and get the total score by clicking the equal sign, then click the consecutive score so the answer will be given. And for the percentage score, don't forget to click equal sign as always and divide it to the total row score to the highest possible score and multiply by 100%, so the answer will be automatically shown. Then for the weighted score, click equal sign once again, multiply the percentage score to the weighted score so the answer will be shown. Next, for the performance task, the total row score by clicking equal sign, then click consecutive row score out of the highest possible score so the answer will be shown. To get the percentage score, click equal sign and divide the possible score to the highest possible score. Then the answer will then multiply to the 100%, then the answer will be given. For the percentage score, click equal sign and divide it to the possible score to the highest possible score, then multiply to the 100%, then the answer will be given. Next is weighted score. To get the weighted score, click equal sign, multiply percentage score to the weighted score, and the answer will be given. So, for the initial grade, solve all weighted score and the total score will be given. So, the quarterly grade is 82. Thank you so much, and I hope you learn, and God bless everyone.